Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to fix autocorrect on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. All you simply need to do is go ahead and open the settings app. Scroll down and click on general. Then scroll down the general page and click on keyboard. Now under keyboard, you want to scroll down and then locate and turn on autocorrect. So if this is disabled, to turn it on, turn this on. If it is enabled, to turn it off, turn it off. Now to confirm whether your autocorrect is working or not, go ahead and open iMessage or any messaging app. Then keep typing. Then should say autocorrect suggesting whatever you are typing for you on the keyboard. But if you disable autocorrect, your iPhone will stop suggesting autocorrect for each of the words that you typed. And that's it. So, if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.